Does your bank account look the same at the end of every month, no matter how hard you work? You've tried a side hustle or two, but it never really took off. What if you knew exactly which hustles were working right now and which ones are a complete waste of time? This is Alan from The Socialists. Today, I'm going to help you cut through the noise to bring you actionable financial advice you can start today. In this video, we're stack ranking the top 5 side hustles that can actually work for you right now, based on real income potential and viability, not just fluff or hype.
This is the Socialists channel.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the simplest entry point, micro-task platforms. We're talking about sites like User Testing, where you get paid to review websites, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. First, the pros. It's incredibly easy to start. You can do it on your phone during your commute or lunch break. Cons, the income is very low for the time spent. This will not make you rich, and it could feel a bit tedious to continuously complete these small tasks for minimal payoff. But if you're not necessarily looking to get rich off of one side gig and like this type of work to pass the time, this might be for you. Our verdict? This is a perfect way to earn extra pocket money for specific goals, but it's at number 5 because it doesn't scale quickly, if at all. It's a defined trade of your time for a set amount of cash. What do you think? Tell us in the comments.
At number 4, we have skilled freelancing. This is where you monetize a specific skill you already have, like graphic design, video editing, writing, or programming on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The key here is specialization. Don't just be a video editor, be a YouTube video editor for tech reviewers. This allows you to charge premium rates and amp up your cash flow faster. You can start this as a side hustle, but there is real potential for growth here, and you could even turn it into a full-time business. Working for yourself on your terms, what's better than that? Our verdict? This is fantastic for building a client base and earning a strong secondary income that could possibly become your primary one. It ranks at number 4 because your income is still directly tied to the hours you work, less passive but lots of upside.
Breaking into the top 3 is where we start seeing the all-important passive income. This includes print on demand, selling custom t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory, and selling digital products. Digital products are the absolute gold standard. You create something once, like an ebook, a course, or a digital template, and you can sell it thousands of times for profit, possibly in perpetuity. The margins are nearly 100% after the initial effort, and the possibilities are almost endless. Our verdict? This hustle has massive scalability and passive income potential. It takes more upfront work than freelancing, and the learning curve is a bit steeper, as you may need to learn some new skills to execute on developing your digital products, but your earnings are no longer limited by your time. It's very much a business, not just a job.
At number 2, we move from products back to services, but at a much higher level. This is high-ticket freelancing or coaching. Instead of selling a $50 logo, you're selling a $5,000 branding package. Instead of editing videos, you're coaching others on how to grow their YouTube channel. This opportunity requires positioning yourself as an expert. This happens by showcasing your results and knowledge on platforms like LinkedIn or YouTube itself. Your clients aren't random people online. They are business owners who value your expertise and are willing to pay a premium for it. If you have a particular skill that you can leverage, this is one of the best ways to create a business and to sustain a consistently strong income. Our verdict? This can be incredibly lucrative and fast. You only need a few clients a month to earn a full-time income. It ranks at number 2 because it still requires your direct involvement.
And the number 1 side hustle you can get into right now to make money with truly uncapped income potential is affiliate marketing powered by content creation. This is literally what we're doing right now on this channel. You create valuable content, a YouTube video, a TikTok, a blog post that helps people solve a problem.
keeps them entertained, or educates them on something you're interested in, such as how to make money. Within that content, you recommend tools, software, or products you genuinely use and include a special tracking link. If someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes for life. Creating something one time over a few hours that will pay you forever, I think that's what they call the dream. A single video you make today can generate revenue for years. Why is it number one on this list? It's the ultimate combination of passive and active income. You can combine it with AdSense and sponsorships to create multiple income streams from one piece of content. The ceiling is truly sky high.
So which hustle fits your goals? The quick cash of taking on microtasks or the empire building of affiliate marketing and content creation? If you're ready to start with our number one pick, I've put a link in the description to my favorite AI tools for content creation. And check back with us as we launch our newsletter, which will have tips, tricks, and training guides to get you started. If you found this ranking helpful and want more content like this, click the like button and hit subscribe for more videos that can help you earn money and build wealth in ways you didn't know about. Let me know in the comments what questions you may have, what you want to learn more about, and which side hustle you're going to try first. This is Alan with the Social Lists. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you for the next one.